Hi, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. This video I'm showing you the old version of the string that I used spiraling up, all the way up, Christmas tree, but this one was changed.
I like it. Thank you, Lord. Guys, look at your Christmas tree. It's not like almost like, no, it's not 90% yet. It's like, this is like 50%.
As what I told you in the previous clip, that the string I used there was changed. Ito yung time na I'm changing the spiral because I think like I'm not contented or satisfied with how it formed. So I'm using a different one. I used a wire that's like thicker or alambre para mas maganda yung ano niya, yung form niya. Kasi nung una, yung magnet wire, sobrang hindi niya kayang, tawag dito, hindi niya kayang i-lift yung mga ornaments like yung acrylic wire X, something like that. So, I'm actually having a problem with the Christmas light that I bought from China. I contacted the seller, but it seems that the seller is not very responsive, so I gave her my honest review. I have to do that so future buyers have an idea of what they're going to receive. So I'm just being honest. So this is a new wire I'm using, and binaklas ko ulit yung tawag dito, yung mga Christmas lights. And then I have one tip, guys, to share. If you're going to use fairy lights, wag nyo silang pag papatong-patungin tsaka iikot-ikot yung wire kasi nga nasisira siya, hindi na ilaw. Kaya later on sa video to, you'll see how it looks like pag inaano nyo, pag inikot-ikot. Kasi parang magkakaproblema siya. Magiging sensitive yung wire. So yun na, guys, that's the new one that I use, the alambre, all the way up. So you can really play with its form, and it looks parang magical swirl Cinderella-esque talaga, guys. So yun siya. And actually, yung first na Christmas lights na binili ko, sobrang liit lang, like 20 meters. Hindi ko actually sure eh. Binili ko 30 meters. Pero parang 20 meters lang yung binigay na sa akin. Compared sa Christmas lights na to, yung sira-sira, yung paswirl, sira yan. Ewan ko kung bibili pa ako ulit. Compare dito, kasi parang 50 meters to. Pero mas sobrang haba niya. So, parang 5 ulit ata ako. Pataas, pababa, 5 beses. And then yung sobra, nilagay ko doon sa puno mismo sa mga dahon para mas marami siyang tingnan. At isa pa, para maano ko siya, yung hindi siya magbi-blink, yung yung gusto ko kasi yung ganito lang, steady lang. Para yung magbi-blink, yun yung isa sa loob sa Christmas tree. Yung 20 meters or 30 meters. Para yung atake niya is parang may yung parang nagbi-blink siya. Ganun. If you can see, guys, parang nagbi-blink siya. Ang ganda, diba? So, yun. And then, may magbabash naman na sobrang aga pa parang mag-set up ng Christmas tree. Tatanungin kita. I'll ask a question. So, how will you define what is Christmas for you? Kasi for me, Christmas is like about feeling the love, feeling the peace, feeling the unity, the giving, and all the feels, all the positive feeling. That's Christmas for me. And also, it's for the kids. So if you are a kid by heart, so you'll really enjoy Christmas. Also, I have to consider the budget. So I set it up August pa lang para makasave. Hi guys, bumili tayo ng panibagong pasabog para sa ating Christmas tree. Para kay Celestial. Hi guys, good morning. So I just got home from the outside.
So, pinadiretso ko lang si Gata sa work niya at ako, nag-tricycle na lang. And it feels good yung tricycle minsan. And we bought new flowers for Dreamer. So, I bought flowers. Paunti-unti lang. I bought 4 butterflies as ornament for our celestial Christmas tree Dreamer. Apat yan siya. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo pag nalagay ko na siya. So, these are what we bought for today's video. So, yun guys. Sa mga nagsasabi ba why you set up like early in August, kasi nga bilang pinanganak na poor at lumaki din na poor na walang kakayahang bumuli ng isang bagsakan at ayaw ko namang umutang kasi masakit sa ulo yon. So inuunti-unti natin, August pa lang, unti-unti natin siya para pull off natin yung ini-envision natin na Christmas tree. Okay. So guys, update ko kayo pag may bago sa ating Christmas tree. That's all for this vlog. Bye! Here, miss, it's straight to the socket. And then it's blinking like this. I don't know what's wrong. Some are not blinking and some are like blinking fast. But some are not working like this. Some here are not working also. Like these two are not working.